Hello guys, welcome back. I know it's very difficult to be self-quarantined, but you can lift up your mood with some chocolates. So here I am bringing you a brownie crumble recipe that will help you satisfy your cravings. This can be used in shakes, cereals, ice creams, and can be eaten as it is. So do indulge in this recipe and let me know in the comment section how do you like it. If you like this recipe, please hit that like button. See you soon with another recipe. Bye.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough.